Hey, this is Michael Recipe with Keller Williams coming to you from Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm actually at one of my clients' houses here, and this is his pet. This is actually Ryder. Ryder's a yellow lab. He's 10 years old. He's actually traveled all throughout the country because my client actually is active in the U.S. Navy for the last 5 years. And he purchased this home with a VA loan. There's a lot of perceptions out there and misperceptions on VA loans, and I'd like to share with you some of the advantages of a VA loan. First of all, VA loans are for veterans or people that are active in the military. And I do want to thank all of our active servicemen out there, as well as our veterans, for protecting us and keeping us free. So 14 advantages to a VA loan. First of all, there's no down payment. Number 2, there's no PMI, private mortgage insurance. Number 3, you get competitive interest rates. Sometimes, according to this article, and this article, by the way, is by Veterans United Home Loans. And according to this article, the competitive interest rates can sometimes be 0.5% to 1% lower than conventional loans. Number 4, relaxed credit requirements. You don't need to have a perfect credit score to get competitive rates. Number 5, there's limits on the closing costs. They try to keep the closing costs down. Number 6, it's a lifetime benefit. It's not just for the first time you're buying. Number 7, there's no prepayment penalties. Number 8, foreclosure avoidance. If there was a risk of foreclosure, the VA advocates for their veterans and they try as best to keep them in their home as long as possible. Number 9, the VA appraisal. This gets a bad rap, but in actuality, the VA is doing appraisal so you know the market value of your home. You could still purchase it if it doesn't appraise, you just have to make up the difference, but at least the buyer knows what the market value is of the home. Number 10, acceptable income. There's many forms of income that are accepted with the VA loan. Number 11, there are a variety of different VA loans available. Number 12, there's no loan limits. Veterans with full VA loan entitlement can buy as much as they can afford. Number 13, funding fee exemption. Now this also gets a bad rap because it is a fee up front of 2.3 to 3.6%, which can be hefty. But on the flip side, if there's a disability or a surviving spouse, they actually waive the funding fee. And then finally, assumability. Most loans out there are not assumable. The VA loan is. When they go to sell the loan, whether the buyer is a veteran or an active service member or not, they can't assume that loan along with the interest rate. Again, this is Michael Recipe coming to you from Holly Springs, North Carolina, just outside Raleigh. This is Ryder. What do we always say, Ryder? As always, have a fantastic day.